Here are a few tips to help you figure out your style. First things first, you're gonna have to declutter your wardrobe. I know it may seem like such a drag, but it has to be done. You're gonna have to try everything on, see how it fits, see if you actually like it or if maybe a trend just tricked you. When decluttering your wardrobe, if you see a lot of ruffles, lace, embroidery pieces, and so on, that could mean that you're either a romantic or a boho style, whereas say you're going shopping and most of the time you're attracted to simple basics and just clean lines, then that could mean that you're either a minimalist or minimal style, let me correct myself, or a classic style, or you could be a combination of both, or sometimes even 3 styles. I personally have been minimal and classic for years, but lately I've been really enjoying the preppy aesthetic and incorporating it into my wardrobe. Back when I was struggling with this exact same issue and didn't know what my style was and audited my wardrobe, I realized that it was full of statement pieces and I didn't have any basics at all, like not even a t-shirt. So another tip I have for you is to invest in good quality basics. I know you're probably sick of me saying it, but just like you can't build a house without a good foundation, you can't build a functional wardrobe without some core pieces. Another thing you can do that could help you is to pre-plan your outfits. I love doing this when I'm filming or I'm going on a holiday or back when I was working a 9 to 5 because I just knew I would not have the energy to go and pick out clothes every day after a hectic day of work. How this is going to help you to discover your style is that it's gonna give you time to be more intentional with your wardrobe pieces and to actually try things on and see if you like them or not instead of just randomly throwing a random outfit together because you're running late to the bus. You can either get a clothing rack, but if you don't have the space or the money, you can just as easily have a little section in your closet dedicated to your weekly capsule wardrobe. Another thing that can help you be more creative is styling outfits for 1 month using only 10 pieces of clothing that you already own. This is something I've learned from a different creator, Styling with Kenzie, and she does this with her clients all the time, and it allows them to be more creative and understand their style a little bit more. If you do this exercise for a month, it should teach you how to layer and style pieces in line with your fashion style. I hope this helped, and make sure to like and follow if you want to learn more about capsule wardrobe and how to find your style.